first things first, we're going to look at your 5-year historical prices. We can see all of them started from the same point, but 4 out of the 6 stocks went up, but the Constellation and your pool down. So what I found interesting is that your average percentage raw return so far in the calls, we can see that LAMR advertising had the highest return, but it's actually new core, and which is quite interesting. And also we did a little A and B testing between 4 of the different portfolios. So we did Buffett and minimum volatility, as we saw the fact that minimum volatility could have been the strategy he used to purchase his latest stock, but you can see that the returns are similar, volatility is similar, but minimum volatility wins because of your Sharpe ratio that was 0.142 instead of the 0.097.